In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in Constant Contact. First, go ahead and log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a section called Channels. Click on that to expand the options underneath it. From the list that appears, choose Emails. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the starting point for adding a border to any existing email. After you open the email section, you'll see a list of your campaigns. Take a moment to find the specific email you want to work on. This might be a draft you're editing, a template you reuse, or a campaign you're updating. Click on that email to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, look again to the left-hand side of the screen. This panel is where you control the overall design and settings of your email. At the top of this panel, you should see different tabs or sections. Switch over to the one labeled Design. This is where you can adjust things like colors, fonts, backgrounds, and in this case, borders. Within the Design tab, make sure you're in the section called Backgrounds and Borders. Here you'll find an option labeled Outer Border. This setting controls the border that appears around the entire email, not just a single block or image. Next to Outer Border, you'll see a field where you can enter a value. This number usually represents the thickness of the border in pixels. You can type a number directly into that field, or use the small increase and decrease buttons to adjust the border size step by step. As you change the value, keep an eye on the live preview of your email. The border will update in real time, so you can see exactly how thick or thin it looks and find a style that fits your design. If you want to change the color of the border, click on the small square color swatch next to the outer border setting. This will open a color picker. From here, you can choose a preset color, select a custom shade, or match your brand colors as closely as possible. Once you've selected your border color, check the preview again to make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're happy with the thickness and color of your border, your changes are saved in the editor, and your email will now include that new border design.